folks, so KB is here from enjoystarfood. So after 3 weeks of cold weather, the temperature was negative 30 degree, and now we today have a marvelous weather. It's a plus side temperature, plus 7 degree right now. So today we're gonna try east and west combination of the food. So there's one restaurant, Chillies. They offer pasta plus east. Do you believe they offer Eastern dishes as well? So today we're gonna try pasta and some Eastern dishes. So welcome to Enjoy Star Food. Behind the camera, Dia.
Hello everyone. Keep watching our channel Enjoy Star Food and don't go anywhere. Stay with us.
It's saying any of this. So it's a combination of everything in this restaurant. So they have pasta, they have some Asian dishes like nihari, haleem, biryani, a lot of dishes, and then they have the wraps, and interestingly they have the burgers as well, right, and fried chicken as well. So they have a pretty big menu, and it's a very ethnic and dynamic menu. So it's very dynamic menu. So I'm gonna try actually because they have dishes from all the corners of the world. So I'm gonna try some different combination today. So what I did, I ordered burger that is from west side. Then I ordered pasta from Europe, Italian pasta, right? And then I ordered a South Indian dish, beef haleem, right? And we're gonna try with the naan as well. So it's a very good variety of the dishes for this menu. And
So it means we are going today enjoy the continental cuisine.
Yeah. So it's gonna be continental. It's gonna be the Italian, it's going to be Western, it's going to be South Asian as well. So stay tuned and stay with us, and we'll meet you when our food on the table, guys. So stay tuned, it's going to be yummy for sure.
Of course, another yummy day, guys. Another yummy day. So stay with us.
We're going to put our food on the table. Then here, I'm going to bring some more food.
What's about water?
Take the whole thing. Here we have pasta, we got pasta, guys. So have the whole world on the table. Do you see that? The whole world on the table. So this is South Asian dish, Haleem, and here Italian pasta with the meatball. And here we have a Western style beef burger, guys. Then and some lemon as well. So it's gonna be very yummy, man. Very yummy. Okay, so all the food is on the table, and this is kind of a whole world, guys. So as I said earlier, so we have a beef burger. It's looking like a very big burger, guys, right? And then we have pasta, some meatball pasta. This is Haleem, right? And some naan. So I think so I should start with the pasta, guys, right? So what they have is they have a very big plate of pasta, spaghetti noodles. Then there's a couple of pieces of very generous big meatballs, right? 2 of those. And then this is a kind of, I'm not sure it's a garlic bread or it's a regular bread, so let me try that. It's a garlic bread. So let's dig in first in the pasta. I'm gonna cut it into some pieces, you see that? So it's very big meatballs. I'm gonna take some meat, I'm gonna take some noodles, some pasta sauce, right? And I'm gonna try this Italian pasta, guys. It's very yummy. So let me try that. Yeah, same original taste. I'll say a little bit more concentrated gravy than the regular pasta is, but it's the same authentic taste, so it's good.
And what's about the sauce?
So that's I said, like it's a concentrated sauce on it. Usually, like I saw the sauce is not thick enough, but here it's very thick sauce, so you can feel the authenticity, right? So I'm gonna take one more bite, guys, because I like this. I think so. Yeah, I like that. So one more bite. It's good. It's authentic Italian pasta with the meatballs. And you know, meat is very good. There's no smell and nothing on it. So that is the plus point for this meat as well. So for this restaurant, it's very good. So let's try the burger. So look at that. Let me put this one on the side. So they have, just look at that. Like the very big bun. Then they have some kind of salad and then cheese and then the patties, and they said they claim this is the home style patties, right? So I just want to taste their like what the kind of taste they have it, so that's why I ordered this burger. And they have the lettuce, you guys saw that, right? So actually it's very good. So I'm gonna try this, man. And they have a very good sesame, right? So let's try that. Not bad. It's good. The patties is a little bit different with the regular burger taste. It's very good. And you know, today it's a deal here. So this burger is sandwich is $5.99, right? And they have the deal for pasta is today that is $9.99. It's a pretty big plate, and it's enough for one people. And here, the last one, beef Haleem. So let me put this one on the side. So this is a Pakistani style beef Haleem. So what the Haleem is, so they mix some lentils, meat and beef cooked together for a longer time, and like 8-10 hours, right? So then they turn into dough and they mash it, all of them, to make this kind of a dough. And they put some Pakistani spices in it and top it with the ginger, green chili and also lemon. So what I'm going to do then, I'm going to try without the naan first. I'm going to put some lemon here, right? And I'm going to take some Haleem, some ginger and some chili and some of the fried onion on it. But I'm going to try without the naan. Okay, that guys. And they have actually coriander on it. I think so. Mint maybe, but I'm going to take this without the naan. Very good. So Haleem itself not spicy, I think so. Let me try again. Yeah, Haleem itself not spicy, but when you top it with the green chili, and I have some chaat masala as well, so I'm gonna put some of that. But you know, without this, it's good. Honestly, I'm saying this Haleem is very good. Something like it's a home cooked Haleem, something like that. So I'm gonna take again the chaat masala, some of the lemon, and I'm gonna take one more spoon. It's very good. Damn, it's good. I think you will like it. Let me try with the naan. So look at that there now. Perfect.
It's looking like homemade naan.
And you know, before I'm going to dig in, so I'm going to let you know, today they have the deal on the beef Haleem as well, so buy one get one free. So it's a very big plate. I think so it's good for 2 people. It's economical, man. So I'm going to try with the naan and some ginger. And look at that, it's hot. And you see, that is mean authentic Haleem. Those layers, you see that? So Haleem should form this kind of layer, so it means authentic. It's cooked pretty good and well. So let's try with the naan. Good naan. So you know, all of the dishes is very good. This is the honest review. All the dishes, I think so, everything is on the top, but because my background, I used to eat this. This is the number 1, I'll say. It's very good. And number 1 also pasta as well. So I didn't feel any issue on those. Burger is good as well. So all of them is, I think so, in their cuisine number 1. So it's very good. It's very reasonable price with a generous amount of quantity of the food is. So you guys need to come here and it's worth you guys. So thank you very much for watching us, Enjoy Star Food. We need your help and support in form of subscription. Please subscribe our channel. Dia and me doing very hard work. But we wanted to hit the 1,000 subscriber within a couple of months. So please hit the bell button, hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. So thank you very much for watching, and Dia,
Thanks for watching.